Meaning of Herald Tribune.
Herald Tribune.
Herald Tribune.
Herald Tribune.
Herald Tribune. Herald Tribune is the name of a defunct international newspaper that was published in Paris and distributed throughout Europe, Asia, and Africa. The paper was established in 1887 and merged with its rival, the New York Times, in 1967 to become the International Herald Tribune. The newspaper was renowned for its coverage of world events and foreign news, making it an important source of information for expatriates and international businesspeople. Despite its closure in 2013, the Herald Tribune remains an important part of the history of international journalism.